For shorter term analysis and trading, combining a large fib from the daily time frame with a small fib from the intraday time frame, it is best to split the chart into both time frames and have them side by side. This allows for a more clear view of more significant and relevant price ranges. The same principles from the interday time frames still apply to the intraday time frames, but as mentioned before, fibs can be less reliable since the shorter intraday time frame tends to be more volatile. Having the charts side by side is much neater like this, since you can see the price action on both fibs, whereas this approach is messier and doesn't provide finer details needed for a shorter intraday time frame. The fib on the left is the larger daily time frame. The small fib on the right is the intraday 15-minute chart, representing the shorter time frame.